Once upon a time, a long time ago, when our world was still a scorching ball of fire, there was a large asteroid named Theia, which was a big, hot sphere similar to our Earth. One day, Theia traveled and collided with Earth at a very high speed. This collision caused a massive explosion, sending a large amount of rocks and dust flying out from both Earth and Theia into space. The rocks and dust that were thrown out from this collision started to gather in space. Over time, these rocks and dust began to clump together into larger and larger pieces. Eventually, these pieces formed into a round moon that we see every night. The moon wasn't far from Earth. It started orbiting around Earth and became a close friend, reflecting sunlight back to Earth, allowing us to see the bright moon in the sky. The moon has many craters caused by small rocks hitting it. As the moon orbits around Earth, we see it change shape constantly. Sometimes it's a crescent, sometimes a half circle, and sometimes a full circle. Every night when we look up at the sky, we see the moon as a friend who is always with us. The moon never goes away, and it reminds us of how it came to be from the collision of Theia with Earth, becoming the moon we love and know so well. Thank you for listening to the story of the moon's origin. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. See you in the next video. Goodbye.